Welcome back to Rail Documenter Ontario. In today's video, we're going to be talking about GO Transit's future train station connecting to the Woodbine racetrack. Ready to go to the casino? I never thought I'd say that, but this is episode 2 of Future GO Stations. When GO Transit's Kitchener line was created, it was designed to connect downtown Toronto to the growing cities of Brampton, Guelph, and Kitchener, as well as the small towns of Acton and Georgetown. Being GO Transit's third most used corridor after the Lakeshore Twins, several new stations have been proposed for the line, and the most interesting proposal by far is the Woodbine GO plan. According to Metrolinx, Woodbine will be located on the Kitchener line at Highway 27. To the north of this future station is the iconic Casino at Great Canadian Toronto, but 12 syllables is too many, so we'll just call it the Casino. The Casino is no Las Vegas, but it's the host of the Woodbine racetrack, where the GO Transit station will get its name from. But aside from taking the wealthy to the casino and sending the now impoverished back, Woodbine GO will serve another purpose on GO Transit's network. 2.5 kilometers east of the future Woodbine station grounds is the GO Transit Etobicoke North station on Kipling Avenue. Etobicoke North gets its name and its purpose from the surrounding Etobicoke North district. But there are two issues with Etobicoke North that render the station practically pointless. One is that Etobicoke North has just one platform, yet 3 tracks pass through the station, meaning most GO trains just end up skipping Etobicoke North, so the station gets very low ridership. And second, Etobicoke North is just 20 meters east of where the northernmost track splits and a 4th track begins. So as part of GO Transit's expansion plan to have trains between Union Station and Brampton every 15 minutes and or better, GO Transit wants to delete Etobicoke North so that the 4th track could continue east to Union Station and GO trains every 15 minutes can become possible on the Kitchener line. But there still should be a station in the Etobicoke North district, and that's where Woodbine Station comes in. Woodbine GO will replace Etobicoke North and provide a convenient link to the Woodbine racetrack and casino at the same time. But aside from those 2 destinations, not much surrounds the future station. The airport is already accessible through the Union Pearson Express train shuttle, and everything else, including the Toronto Congress Centre, Queens Play Plaza, and Humber College, is a relatively long walk from the future Woodbine station. It's likely that the Toronto Transit Commission's 927 bus will loop at Woodbine, but there won't be many other connections to public transit when the station is done. It would be awesome to see the TTC's future Line 6 Finch West LRT extend south from Humber College to Woodbine along Highway 27. But even without these dreamful connections, Woodbine will certainly be a positive addition to the GO Transit network, replacing a practically obsolete station with one closer to major landmarks, as well as being a big step in GO Transit's plan to have trains between Union Station and Bramalea every 15 minutes or better. So you probably want to know when the station is coming out to the public. Well, like most of the stations I'll be on this series, a deadline hasn't been provided. So now it's your turn to add to the discussion. Comment down below what you think of this proposal. See you next time on Future GO Stations.